Hello everyone. It's really nice to see you again. And today is still Jessica and Stan. And uh, you can join us by leaving a message via YouTube or Facebook, or you can also inquire us on our store on Alibaba.
Hello everyone, welcome to our live house, and today Stan and I will introduce some special product to you all. Last week we introduced some disinfection products like disinfection gun and disinfection machine, and also we have some traditional disinfection products, which is our UVC light. Do you know UVC light?
Yes, UVC light, which is ultraviolet light. And it's a very conventional disinfection method, and different from our disinfectant gun or disinfectant machine. UVC light it can be used in many occasions, and because it has been used for many years, and it is widely accepted and acknowledged by many people.
Yes, and our factory has been in the lighting industry for 20 years, and we have very mature technology and very efficient production lines. And the UV light is very popular this year due to the coronavirus, and there are large demands in the market. And we know the disinfection gun and the UV lights have different principles.
Yes, the way that they kill virus and bacteria is very different. And as to the disinfectant gun, we use some chemicals liquid to kill the virus. But when we use the UVC light, the working principles is different. The UVC light it can destroy the DNA or RNA structure of the organic things such as the virus and the bacteria. And the UV light is very common in our daily life. We can see the UV light in our sunlight, but actually the light that can kill the virus is referred to some specific wavelength, which is between 100 and 290. During the range of the during this during this wavelength, the UV light has the ability to inactivate the virus, and the most effective wavelength is about 253.7. It is the most efficient wavelength to kill virus. And another wavelength, which is about 185, it can also kill virus, but it will produce some additional gas like ozone. Ozone is also a very efficient gas to kill the virus, but it is harmful to human body with high concentration. So for your health, we don't use ozone UVC light because that is because our UVC light the UVC the outer glass, we use some special coating to prevent the wavelength of 185 to coming out. That's why we can. That's why we're preventing the producing of ozone, and so it's very health and efficient way to kill the virus.
Yes, and it is the physical sterilization, and it is environmentally friendly. When using it, you don't need to contact or store some dangerous chemicals, and it has no side effect. If you want to disinfect the water, you only need to use these kinds of products, and it won't change the taste, smells, and the pH or other properties.
Yes. As we have said, the UVC light can kill the virus very high efficiency, but in different using occasions, we use different types of UVC light. And in our company, we mainly sell about 5 catalogs. And the first catalogs is a standard output UVC light lamp, which has 2 types. The first one is, you can see it's a single-ended and 4-pin UVC light. It has only one end, and we also have a two-ended and 2 pins UVC light. These two are all a standard output, and if you use this single-ended, you can install it in some integrated light, UVC light, which made like this one, and you can put it in the light and install the whole light under the water, so it has a function to sterilize water. And if you buy this two-ended UVC light, you can install it in our special light set, and it can sterilize air, sterilize some objects. And the second catalog is our high output UVC light, which we don't present here because it's very long, and it looks almost like this one, and the high output UVC light, it can be used in higher power and can produce higher intensity of the energy. So the effect of killing virus is better than the standard UVC light. And the third catalog is our high power analog gemacidal UVC light. And this light we use some special coating in the quartz tube. In the quartz tube, we use some special coating, and the special coating can longer the life hours of the UVC light. Also, this special lamp can we use less mercury, and it can be more friendly and because of the high power and the longer life hour, much money in the installing and the maintenance. And the third one, we have a compact H-type UVC light, and we also didn't have some samples to present here today. It's like a U shape, H or a shape. It's like a U shape or it's like a H shape. You can Google some pictures on internet, and this compact H-type UVC lamp, it can produce more energy than the similar size, because it has two tubes, but the length is smaller than the similar power UVC light. And the last one is our integrated UVC light, and this is a whole set of UVC light. And in the light, we use some standard output UVC light. Maybe this one. This is a single-ended. We install the single-ended UVC light in the integrated UVC light, and you can see at the end of the light we have some seal ring which can prevent the water coming in the light. And so you can install the whole light under the water and some swimming pool, some aquarium to sterilize the water. And that's the 5 catalogs of our UVC light.
Okay, and let me show you how to use it.
Yes, we have some samples today. They are in the market. This one. And for this light,
it is 8 watts.
Yes, we use a double-ended lamp.
Then we fix it. And this is the lamp holder and the plug.
And when you use the UVC light, you should be careful. Don't look at the light directly because it will hurt your eyes. And also, you may better wear some clothes to protect your body because it will harm your body too.
Okay, then we switch on the powder. Okay, it lights up.
Yes. And we have some special spare parts like some pins. You can fix it on the wall.
And this side has some connector. You can connect other lamp holders. Then it will light up some big areas.
Yes, it can produce more energy than one single light, and can sterilize the bigger space, the more air, the more water.
And if you want to disinfect your goods, you need to leave the goods 1 meter within the lamp.
Yes, the distance between the light and the object, the better the distance is no less than 1 meter.
And keep the lamp lighting on the goods for about 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yes.
So also it can also you can fix it in your space in your home to sterilize the air, but you should for the better effect, better to keep the air floating, and also the UVC light can operate better under the dry and warmer situation. It can achieve the better effect. Also, we have our integrated UVC light. As I have said, you can see this is a whole set of UVC light, and this part is an outer pipe, and inside the pipe we install a single-ended UVC light into the in the outer pipe. We install the the single-ended UVC light, and we have 2 seal ring. It can prevent water, so you can use it under the water. And we have some water here, and maybe you can see this is a bucket with water we have some water in the bucket, and if you want, you can install this lamp under the swimming pool, in some fish tank, in some aquarium, and light the lamp, and you can put it in. It won't. You see, the light is still working without the effect of water, and it's now sterilized water now. Totally waterproof. Right. And okay. And you can see we have some craft pipe here to package the UVC light, totally safe during the transportation. Also, we have some different package like some bulb. Yeah, some bulb. We put our integrated or some integrated lamp or some UVC light into the bulb, and it can protect the lamp well. Also, if you buy the whole set of light during the maintenance later, you can just change the lamp inside. So the cost is very low because the lamp is cheap. But we all know there are many different factories producing the UVC light, but the quality differs very much. So how I know that our product is better than them because we have our advantages.
Yes, yes, our factory has been in the light industry for many years, you know.
Yes.
And we have professional production team and high quality technical staff, and our lamps, the average life of our lamps is up to 8,000 hours.
Yes.
And the light decay is less than 20%. That means you can use this lamp for many years, and it will always work efficiently.
Yes, for your during the coronavirus affecting us, I think if you want to buy the UVC light for yourself use, or if you are a retailer, you are a businessman, you want to make money of the UVC light, I think it's a good choice for both use. And if you are interested in the UVC light, you can inquire us on Alibaba, and you can also leave a message here on Facebook, on YouTube. We will contact you later. And that's all for today's live show. Thank you all. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.